Have you ever felt hesitant to go out and shoot street photography? You're not alone. It happens to all of us. In this video, I'll walk you through a few things that can help. And it's not just about taking better photos. It's about feeling more confident while doing it. Because street photography isn't about the results you get, it's about the feeling when you're out there. Also, if you're feeling hesitant, a good way to get past the doubt is to go out with a clear intention. Something simple. It gives you purpose and something to look forward to. For this video, I gave myself two intentions. First, to work with reflections, mirrors, windows, anything I could find. And second, to try and capture some real, raw, candid moments. One of the simplest things you can do to make it easier and more enjoyable is just have your settings ready for where you are. If you're standing or walking at a certain street, set your ISO, your exposure, your shutter speed, whatever you need for the kind of photo you want to take before anything happens. That way, when you see something, you're ready to press the shutter and get the shots. And especially when you're just getting started, you might feel a bit cold, a bit hesitant, maybe even nervous. So one thing that helps is to just start shooting from the hip. Take a few shots without raising the camera or being noticed. You'll start feeling more confident with each one. And it's a good way to ease into it and get more comfortable. Now, there's a bunch of people who say shooting from the hip isn't real photography. I don't really listen to opinions like that. I actually think it's a great skill to have, especially when you're trying to get a true candid moment. Like when someone's sitting down or the scene just calls for it. Most modern cameras have a flip screen or a good back screen anyway, so you can still frame your shot properly. And be a bit more discreet while doing it. If that's how you like to shoot, there's no one out there who can tell you otherwise. The most important thing is that you enjoy it and actually look forward to taking your camera and yourself out to shoot. Another thing I find really helpful, practicing those more direct shots, the one where you raise the camera and take the photo straight on. One of the easiest ways to do that is to photograph other photographers. When you see someone with a camera, just take the shots. Not because it fits the intention you set for the day, but because it's great practice.
For me, it's free, brother.
It helps you get used to simply lifting the camera and pressing the shutter without overthinking. And the truth is, when you're holding a camera, it's easier to connect with other people doing the same. And if someone ever gets annoyed, which honestly almost never happens, you just tell them the truth. You're a photographer and you took the shot either because it felt right or just as a way to practice and build confidence out on the street. Most people on the streets are too busy to notice or care. They're walking, talking, thinking, just going about their day. And the more you go out there, the more you'll see that most people are in their own world. So, if you're not being disrespectful or getting in someone's face, chances are no one's even going to remember you took the shot. Maybe they notice for a second, but 20 seconds later they're back in their own thoughts, busy with their own lives. And something important to keep in mind is that you're not doing anything wrong. You're out there because you enjoy it. Maybe it's something you want to share with others. Maybe it's just for you. Maybe it's your way of being present and seeing the world in a different way. So don't put too much pressure on yourself. The street is an unpredictable place. You're not supposed to control it, and you don't need to get amazing results every time. Just go out, show up, that alone is enough. And if something feels right, stay with it. Don't rush, whether it's a person, a light, a reflection. Just slow down a bit, try a few angles, walk past the same zone a couple of times. Let the moments breathe.
Thank you, brother. Good day, yeah?
So that's what I did today. I gave myself two simple intentions, which are kind of broad, to be honest. Reflections, not so much, but getting candid moments is broad. Still, it's a guide. Hello, bro. Found something interesting. I didn't move on right away. I stayed with it, took a few shots, adjusted, and let myself wind down a little. Street photography can get really chaotic. You're walking a lot, chasing moments, but slowing down really helps. It makes you see more things. And sometimes, even if your goal was to shoot pure candid or whatever your goal is, you come across something or someone that really stands out. In those moments, don't worry about sticking to your plan. It doesn't matter. Just take the shot. To wrap things up, this isn't about getting good photographs. Street photography is really about how it makes you feel to be out there, to enjoy doing it. Good pictures will come. So keep that in mind. Set a goal for the day, keep a good attitude, and know you're not doing anything wrong. Let yourself enjoy the surprises because the street always gives you something you didn't expect. See you on the next one.